It won't be every day, though. This won't be every day.
No, that's true.
I can't believe he's just moving. He is moving.
He's going to be like his dad, I think, a lot.
He's fidgety.
And yeah, Russ is real moving all the time.
Gotta be doing something. Can you smile again? That was such a pretty smile. Yeah, it was. Let's get it on video for your mama. That ceiling fan is fascinating. Nope. Get back. Sit down. You sit down? Yeah. Are you dancing?
Well, suddenly I have a friend. Wait a minute, I gotta get that.
Oh, so excited.
He doesn't cry.
Nope.
He just doesn't cry.